To track all service alerts and store activity, select View Store Activity. This menu option will show a day-by-day view of all store activity, including service alerts and check-in and out data if available. Use the arrows at the top to toggle between days. Service alerts and check-in and out events will be color-coded to allow for easy tracking. Service alerts show an exclamation point. An orange alert is open and has not yet been accepted. A white alert is an active alert that has been accepted. A gold alert is a completed alert. A gray alert is a verified alert that has been completed and verified as satisfactory or unsatisfactory. A blue alert is a communicated alert that does not require acceptance or completion. A green event is a checked-in event, and a gold event is a checked-out event. Use the filter icon to filter by service role or vendor.